Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see some of the file manipulation commands and package management commands. So file management commands, let's create a few files and manipulate those by copying and moving from one place to another, adding few contents and filtering out exact phrases that we want. So So we have Linux test and test1 folder here. Um, so let's get into Linux. So this is a directory. So let's create a new text file. Touch is the command. So the file that we are going to copy, let's name it as copy.txt. And the file that we are going to move, let's name it as move.txt. Okay. So now we have only move. Let's create copy. So now we have both the files. So now let's go back to cd test. So the copy and move text file is not a file, directory is created by me. So I'm going to remove this. So now we have only Gautam text and Gautam 1 text. So I'm going to go back. So I'm going to understand our present working directory, which is home Ubuntu. Copy this. So we are going to copy Linux text copy.txt space home Ubuntu test. Right. So we have moved our text file from Linux text to test1. So now the same, we are going to move the file. So you can work on any directory when you mention the absolute path. So we are going to move. So the txt file, move.txt file is moved from the Linux test to the test folder. So let's go back and check. Yeah, it is moved out. So Now let's go in. Let's use VI editor to open the file. Let's write some random comment. Escape WQ. Right. So now what we are going to do is we are going to view the file. Okay. So here we have viewed the file. So now what we are going to do is we are going to use the head command to view only the top 10 lines. So same tail command is used to view the bottom 10 lines. So there's a command called grep. So in this grep, what are we going to do is we are going to filter out particular lines. Should be print copy. So yeah, only these two lines got printed here. So if you want to add more lines, so the last line we have is the quit. So let's add one more line to the existing file. We go. The new line should be, let's say, restart. Restart. File name is copy. Right. So the new line got added to the file. Okay, ls-l. So these are all the file manipulation commands that are there, basic commands. So now let's get into the package management. So let us install Notepad++ in this Ubuntu server. So when you use sudo is the command to run as an administrator. So sudo apt get install ad. This is the dependency before you install Notepad++. Okay. So okay, that is already there. sudo apt get install notepad plus plus. Unable to locate the package.